Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start in Settings, open it, and go straight to Control Center. This is where you customize what appears. Once there, make sure access within apps is enabled so controls show in any app. Next, scan the existing controls list to understand what's already included versus what you'll add. You're taking inventory while initiating the change, so tap Edit or Add Controls as the first actionable move. This unlocks the control list you'll modify in the next steps. Now work through the middle steps. Add new items by tapping the plus icons next to more controls. Choose things you use frequently, like voice memos or magnifier. Once added, remove unwanted controls with the red minus and delete to keep the panel focused. For ordering, press and hold the 3-line handle, then drag a control where it's easiest to reach. Place primary tools at the top. Make deliberate organization choices, so reaching a control, finish by exiting Settings and swiping to open Control Center. Verify the layout, test each newly added control, and confirm ordering works for one-handed use. If a control doesn't appear, restart the iPhone once. That often resolves display or cache issues. If problems persist, go back to Settings and remove, then re-add the control or reset Control Center customization to default. This clears corrupt entries. Finally, make sure iOS 26 is installed, because some controls depend on the latest system features.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.